Yep, the markets are looking crap. People are calling for the end of crypto. It's all over Twitter. It's all over YouTube. The bull market is officially cancelled. That's what they want you to believe because they want the cheaper prices. The banks, the governments, the institutions, they all need to get into crypto for this cycle. For them to get into crypto, the retail needs to sell. The retail's me, the retail's you, and I'm building. We're adding Enjin coin to the portfolio. Let's dive in. Enjin coin currently trading at 15 cents. Why do I like Enjin coin? It's been absolutely battered more than most cryptocurrencies during the bear market. So when you're looking at the chart and you've just put in new lows, that's the time to be fearful. However, we can look fundamentally to find out, is the team still building? Is the roadmap being met? Are they developing in 2024? So I've done that bit of research for you guys, and let me just read this. Enjin coin team is actively building and continuing to grow and follow their roadmap. Over the past year, they've made significant strides, including the launch of their own blockchain, the migration of Enjin coin and Affinity to the new blockchain, and the introduction of various new features and tools. These developments are part of a broader strategy to position Enjin as a leading platform for blockchain-based gaming and virtual goods. So in 2024, Enjin's focused on expanding the adoption of their blockchain ecosystem, including the rollout of the Enjin blockchain and associated tools like the NFT.io marketplace, SDKs, and a revamped Enjin wallet. So the team's been developing Affinity, a cross-chain protocol designed to enhance interoperability between different blockchains, particularly in the gaming and NFT sectors. The team appears strong, the team appears dedicated, and they're continuing to release new features and updates constantly. And they have a robust development pipeline, which they're engaging with the community and adopters, and that includes a foundation and a clear commitment to their roadmap. So overall, Enjin's maintaining momentum and appears to be well positioned for future growth in the blockchain and gaming sectors during 2024. So we know in the background that the team's still building. We know in the background that this is still active and it's not a dead token that's being traded. So the thing that I like about this more than anything, where is it now? It's 15 cents now. Where was it in its bull market high? It was $4.84. From where price action is now to its high, 2,922%. Does that mean that should be our take profit? Does that mean that we're going to put in a new bull market high? Definitely doesn't mean that, guys. However, we can be conservative, and you can see the gains that you can get from just a mere 38.2% retracement. And we can look at the likeliness of that happening. All we're doing from its bull market high, sticking a Fibonacci to its bear market low, and then we need to get our fibs correctly. That's the important thing. Right, okay, we've got the Fibonacci on there. Now look at this, guys, to the 38.2% retracement. If you just look at that chart, and you look at the 38.2, can you see anything there? Can you see anything here? 1, rejection. 2, rejection. You've been rejected there twice. These Fibonacci numbers are powerful numbers, and this is exactly where I'd be expecting to be rejected next going forward. Doesn't mean it can't just continue to the upside and continue to the upside, put in a new bull market high. However, the likeliness isn't there. So more conservative, bag your gains, and how much gains is it from where price action is now to the 382? 1,150%. 11.5x. Would you be happy with that 11.5x? Right, what's the downside, guys? We're putting a bear market low. We haven't got much downside. All we can do is look at the previous cycle and the previous high of the previous cycle, and then we can put in a trend line. So if we just do that now, got here, your trend line's here. So, right, we've got a trend line. Now, that was previous resistance during the previous cycle. Have we dropped this yet? Yes, we just dropped it. Right, okay, so we've dropped it. This is the level that we need to get above. So there's two ways that you can play this. You can either wait for a push-up and then a confirmation of this level, and then take profits at the 382 during the course of the bull cycle. Don't forget, this could be months that it's going to be playing out. It's not going to be tomorrow. It's not going to be the day after. It's during the next bull run. Or you can dip your toe in the water here thinking that this new low that we've just put in is going to be the low. If this is the low, then you've picked the bottom, my friend. It doesn't mean that it is the low, but it means you've picked the bottom. If it isn't the low, you can average down at lower levels, and we'll talk about that in a different video. So none of this is financial advice, guys. This is just what I'm doing. Follow me on my journey. My portfolio is full and transparent. I'll leave the playlist of every single token within the portfolio at the end of the video. We're going to look at the portfolio shortly as well. Right, okay, so I'm interested here. I'm going to be putting $50 into the portfolio on Enjin coin today, and then that'll be updated on the CoinGecko portfolio. Ideally, if you want to be more conservative, you'd be doing this, waiting for the break. I always say it, wait for the break, wait for the break. When I'm trading, I can't take anything unless I've had a break, occasionally a retest. When I'm investing, I'm quite happy to wait just before the break, because I know that if it goes further down, I can average down and position myself better. So I'm buying Enjin coin today, and that's why I'm buying Enjin coin today. Right, okay, let's have a quick look at the portfolio, guys. And here we go. We're down 15.5%. So down 15.5%, we're down $92.91. The crypto market's been absolutely battered. We've been holding up well against the rest of the drops of the crypto market because we've been buying support's been give us the edge. So we know that we're not building on the way up, we're scaling out on the way up, we're building on the way down, and when you're building on the way down, your portfolio tends to go down during that time. So Enjin coin's added today, haven't put it on here yet. I'm going to be adding Enjin coin. What does the portfolio pie chart look like? Here's the split, guys. Here's the split. We've got artificial and super intelligence. We've got Cadena, Propi, Polygon, Theta, Gala, Shiba, Graph, Avalanche, and Beam. And then some more. Arbitrum and Scallop. So we've just started $50 in each of those. And then we're going to see where this thing takes us during the bull run. I'm looking forward to scaling down. If we get a few more weeks of downside, that means that the entries are going to get better for the portfolio. So down's good for me. It's bad for everyone else. Flip your mindset. Let me know in the comments what you want me to cover next. Subscribe to my channel. Follow me on this journey, and I'll see you in the next one.